Welcome to the Hot Stock Pick of the Week. I'm Chris DeHamer. When I was in the 9th grade at Maury High School in Norfolk, Virginia, my desk was right next to the prettiest girl I'd ever met. She had straight blonde hair, blue eyes, and a smile that would make things like logic and reason superfluous. Best of all, she was English, like from England, which meant she had an accent and wore strange outfits and was just quirky enough. To top it off, she had a body like freshmen just shouldn't be allowed to have. The thing was, this girl was new to the school, she didn't know anyone, and in fact was a bit shy. At the time, I was a nervous young lad, having moved to the area just the year before myself. I had braces, weighed about 98 pounds, and had recently lived in Connecticut, which meant I was the scourge of the South, a damn Yankee. That spring, the big dance came around. In Southern Virginia, they call it the cotillion. They still held on to such notions as coming out, though it meant something quite different back then. I knew she wanted me to ask her. We got along well, she laughed at my jokes, and like I said, she was stunning. But something held me back. Peer pressure, adolescent fear, and general immaturity, I suppose. I never asked. The dance came and went, classes changed, and the next year my family moved to New York. I missed the chance at one of the best deals I ever came across. And in retrospect, it was so obvious. But here's another quite obvious notion you don't want to miss. Buy commodities. It's the super cycle, baby. If you look at any chart showing the price of copper, you'll see that it's hit a bottom. It has broken out of its range, and it's above its trend line. Let me translate the jargon. This is the last best chance to get in on the trend of the decade, and there's a patently easy way to do so. It's called Capstone Mining Corp. The ticker is CS. It trades in Toronto. It's a publicly traded Canadian mining company that 100% owns a copper, silver, zinc, lead mine located in southern Mexico. The company has zero debt and is increasing its output at a triple-digit rate. It is doing this even as costs go down. In Q4 of 2006, it had a production rate of 1,000 tons per day. Mill throughput is estimated to jump to 2,200 tons per day by next year. And at the same time, economies of scale and changes in mining methods will bring production costs down. So much so that the cost of bringing copper from the mine to market will drop from a low of 47 cents a pound to an even lower 41 cents a pound. And this is going up, and this is all going on while the market trend is up. Copper prices have been increasing since late 2003, averaging $1.30 a pound, 2004, $1.67 a pound in 2005, 305 cents a pound in 2006. Today, copper is trading at $3.40 a pound. And like I said, this company is pulling it out of the ground at 41 cents a pound. Some people might consider this company a bit risky. Heck, what do you want? It's a Canadian microcap prospector with a Mexican mine. That said, it showed 12 million earnings for the first time last quarter, and it's only going to get better. The best time to buy a company is when it is accelerating profits and the herd thinks it's too risky. That's what happened with Simulations Plus, a company I recommended in October 2006, just as it went from a loss to a profit. And we're up 420% on that one. Now, I don't know for sure that Capstone is going to go up 420%. Readers of my trading service, The Red Zone of Profits, are up 25% from just a few weeks ago. Last week, Capstone Mining jumped 11% after the company swung from a first quarter profit of 15 cents from a loss of 1 cent a year earlier. As I write this, people are taking short-term gains. I recommend buying this dip. There are 80 million shares outstanding, so it's a true microcap. If Capstone doubles production, lowers costs, and hits its expected 100% growth rate by the fourth quarter, and if copper continues to climb based on global growth and demand, Capstone looks like an easy double. I'm giving it a price target of $4.80 by the fourth quarter of 2007. Buy Capstone Mining, ticker CS, trades in Toronto. You can pick it up under $2.75. And that's my hot stock pick of the week. I'm Christian DeHamer for the TaipanFinancialNews.com.